Hey, Matt? Matt, what are you doing? Oh my god, seriously?
I can't get it.
How are you even seeing the colors in the dark?
What are we doing today?
How about you start off by making your bed? You're disgusting, dude.
I was gonna do that. Making your bed for your mom. Step 1. Take the pillows you normally sleep on with your head and place them at the front. See? Make sure you fluff them up a bit. Perfect. Comforter pillows. Place them on the ends of your bed. Separate comforter from sheet. Now we pull. Slowly, covering the first pillow. It should look like you covered the first pillow. See what I did there? That's called the divorce. You're now at one of the final stages of making your bed. Next step, we bring over the comforter. Lean, 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 and toss. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Take your comforter pillows. One quick motion. You need to create the shape of the bed now. And these need to sit on a 62.5 degree angle. Ready? Ready? Final step. Your bedtime activity. Everyone's got a different one. This one's mine. See you tomorrow, Jeffrey. And that is how you make your bed.
If you're having problems at home and you're feeling alone, you can always ask Matt.